In this video, I'll show you how to check how much money you've spent on your Steam account. Now, first step, guys, is you're gonna open up Steam. From in here, you're gonna click on the Help button up here and go to Steam Support. Let it load for a little bit and you will come to the Steam Support page. Now from in here, you have different options and I'm just gonna go to My Account. On your My Account, you can see all of these different things, but we're gonna focus on data related to your Steam account. Now, once you're in here, you're gonna scroll down a little bit until you can find the external funds used. If I press on this, I will be able to see that on this account, I've spent $46. You can read here the exact things that these mean, but basically the total spend is how much you have ever spent on your Steam account. I have only spent $46 as this is another one of my accounts. I'll probably spend way more on my main account, but that's basically how you can check it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.